Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MFBU033. This is a 1985 Buick Regal Limited. Decent looking car. She has been repainted. Light blue was her factory color. I really like this thing. It's a shame that she couldn't be restored. Stuff like this just happens to these cars. I'm literally just taking pieces of the header panel. Yes, we know they can all be fixed, but this one has a salvage title. A lot of good parts on this car for sale. We're going to have a header panel. We're going to have both these headlights for sale. The grill is a little buck tooth. Somebody might use it. Complete front bumper. She's got a little bit of surface rust on her. Little XXX steel wheel might clean that up. It'll polish out to be very nice driver quality. Both the fenders appear to have made it. All of the stainless trim is going to be listed for sale all around the car. For those of you that are going to ask, this is not a factory sunroof. 10-bolt rear end. What's the gear ratio, Andy? Do you remember?
241.
241 highway gear rear end. Same deal with the back here. A lot of nice parts on it. Everything's going to need paint or just a little bit of polish. Let me see if I can pick up the condition of this chrome here. There it is. Very good looking until you get 5 feet away from it, but very... Here we go. I just keep saying very. It's usable. It's a nice usable bumper. 3.8 under the hood with 92,000 miles. Fires right up. Let's pop the hood. Take a listen to that. Come on, John. There we go. Oh, she's had a recently replaced alternator on her. Good running 3.8 though. You guys can see this was the original color of this girl. Let's hope the air's on. All right, let's step inside this and take a look at what we've got for sale on the inside. We'll throw her into gear, wrap this test video up. And I'm really off my game today, guys. I apologize. Driver's door panel, decent shape. A little bit of wear on the pull handle here, but if you're looking for a Regal Limited door panel, that's going to be pretty hard to find. Oh, seats are unbolted, so I'm rocking here. Passenger door panel is in great shape as well. Dashboard trim, we're going to get this all separated and listed for sale. This is the Limited, so it has the wood grain everywhere. Kind of leather-esque here. Test out that climate control. That is working well. Rear defrost back glass, that's kind of cool. These are cable operated mirrors. Yep, headlight switch works. Cool. Let's test out the window regulators. Slow and steady wins the race on that one, but they work. Just needs greased up. All right, let's go ahead and test out this transmission. Okay, well, something's up. Try that one more time. Trans is smoked. Okay, we found the problem. Well, now we know why this car was at the salvage auction. Besides the rust she's got all around her, she's got a bad transmission. Makes my job a little bit easier. I think that is going to wrap it up for MFBU033, our 1985 Buick Regal. If you guys are looking for parts off this car, you can find them on our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking, guys. Thanks for watching. Up next, though, there's a 350Z Vert. Aw, I had to say it like that. Seriously, guys, thanks for watching.